Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty and Purim is coming. Purim is one of my favorite Jewish holidays. It's a fun one to do with kids, but as always, moms tend to get overlooked. So today I'm doing a special Mishloach Manot just for the moms in my life. It is so important to me to have good mom friends, and it's so important that they feel special. So I am focusing on them today. This video is a collab with 4 other amazing Jewish mom YouTubers. They are putting out Purim content as well today on baking Hamantaschen and Mishloach Manot and costumes. All of their links are below. I also have a ton of other Purim content. Those links are below as well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. I put out videos all year round on being a mom and being a Jewish mom. So I'm going to walk you through how I plan to give out these packages to my friends. Mishloach Manot are food gifts that we give at Purim every year. Usually we give it to like the kids and Jewish families in our lives, and we go around and deliver them. We have been giving out Mishloach Manot for about 3 years now to the Jewish families in our lives. It is such a fun thing to do with the kids. I love teaching them to give, right? And we make a ton of Hamantaschen to do this with. This year though, I'm gonna make 2 new varieties that are a little bit more for like a mom palate. I'm doing an almond flavored one and a dark chocolate. So I started thinking of what would be a creative way to package these so that it looks like a gift, but it's also not in something that is junk. No one needs more junk in their life. So I started with mugs. I went to the TJ Maxx clearance rack and got these Hello Gorgeous ones. They're white, so they go with any decor in anyone's home. And then I went to TJ Maxx and found these beautiful ones. Here they have a blue one too. They were $4 each, and it's something that they can use over and over again. I always make sure they are dishwasher and microwave safe because I know I microwave my coffee over and over again every day. Target also had some great makeup bags in the travel section and in the dollar spots. I was also thinking like a reusable shopping bag, like a fun one would be another really great gift and a great way to store all this stuff. And then of course you could also use, gift bags. Now what am I gonna put in that? So I'm gonna go over those Hamantaschen recipe with you. But also, of course, we need some chocolate. Every mom needs some chocolate. And there are these great like artisan chocolate bars now. They donate money to the environment and they come in these beautiful wrappers. Then because I'm doing mugs, I grabbed some little hot chocolate mixes, some tea bags. The other thing about Purim, of course, is that it involves drinking and, going on the mug theme. I got some Baileys, little Baileys that they can mix in with their hot chocolate or their coffee or whatever. And then of course you could also always include just a full bottle of wine. Now I am definitely sticking with like a coffee chocolate theme, but you could definitely do something more substantial or more on the savory side. There's some amazing recipes out there for savory Hamantaschen, like a spanakopita one or something, right? For my Hamantaschen variations, I'm just doing little adjustments to my favorite Hamantaschen dough recipe. I think that my Hamantaschen dough recipe is the best, but everyone has their favorite. And so if you're curious about some other ones, my other YouTube moms are sharing their favorites as well. So go ahead and check them out. For the almond flavor dough, I'm just going to be subbing in some almond extract instead of the vanilla extract. And then for the filling, I'm using almond paste, which is also known as marzipan. It's really creamy and just has such a delicious flavor to it. With some of them, I'll be doing all marzipan, and others I will be doing a mix of the marzipan and a fruit filling. And then once I have them all folded up like Hamantaschen, I'm going to stick some almonds on the outside of them. I found these toasted ones. They worked great. They really do just stick to the dough, and they add a nice crunch, and they will let everyone know what the flavor is. For my dark chocolate dough, I've just subbed out some of my flour for cocoa powder. You might need a little bit more oil too. Cocoa powder tends to be a bit on the dry side. And Hershey's makes a dark chocolate cocoa powder, which is all the more decadent. Here I am putting a chocolate ganache inside the chocolate Hamantaschen. I made my ganache in the microwave. I just used 1/3 cup of heavy cream and a cup of chocolate chips. I actually used mini ones just for kind of melting purposes. They melt a little faster. I put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds and then just stirred it up till it was all combined. You will need to let it cool down a little bit before you can use it in your Hamantaschen. If you plan ahead, that's ideal, but if not, you can throw it in the freezer for a second. All right, guys, I'm going to run off and pack all of these up for my friends. Don't forget to check out the videos from all of my other Jewish mom YouTubers. They are amazing. All their links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. I put out videos all year round on being a mom and being a Jewish mom. If you make Mishloach Manot for the moms in your life because they deserve it, just like you deserve it, share the pictures with me on Instagram. I am Everyday Jewish Mom on Instagram and everywhere else. And yeah, have a great Purim.